How are you doing? So it's been a very long time where I haven't uploaded any video regarding this binary trading. So actually, I was testing for a new strategy, and I want you to show like how do I follow this strategy which has been testing so far. So now I'm using this trading view as a supporting indicator. So in this trading view, I'm using three indicators which are called as a simple moving averages. So these moving averages which are 7, 14 and 55. So when there is a crossover of from the 14 to 7, so it is above the uh, it is when the price is above this broad level, so then we can go for a call option, and similarly the same when it is below the price level we can go for a sell option, right? And the time frame will be for 2 minutes. So I'll give you a basic example by taking a live trade here, and I have also given a support levels as well for all the trades. This is also an indicator. So here you can see we have a very good opportunity, but we almost missed. So the MACD already has been crossed, and it has confirmed that there will be a crossover, but we just missed this opportunity. So MACD is nothing but it's a moving average a diversion comparison between this moving simple moving average and this divergence. And we have many options, like these are the assets which we have where we can work. And yes, now I think here we can go for a call option. So once when the MACD crosses from this level like this, when it crosses this the 14 level, we can go for a call option, but we need a crossing confirmation. Yeah, so here we can, there is a level. No, can't. So we have to wait for this candle to complete, which is another for 1 minute and 7 seconds, which is for GBP and NZ, New Zealand dollar, GBP, NZD. So if you wanted to learn this price action and all these strategies, so please free to contact me below the comments. So I'm available on Zoom classes to provide you all these price actions, indicators, and all the trainings. So which will these sessions will be completed in the span of 7 days. So there is no guarantee that you will definitely earn, but you have a 70% of chances, not 100%. In this world, there's nothing is 100% that you will get it. There are some negotiations which you need to do. So I can assure you that there will be a 70% of chance that you can earn from this binary trading, which is pretty good. And let us go to GBP and ZD. Yes, so we have to wait for this candle to complete and we can go for call option. Yes, so a late entry. So the price moved very quickly. So you can see the MACD has already crossed, and here we got a confirmation from the simple moving average, and the volume analysis says that the buying transactions are very more, a bit less when compared to the previous volume at from this level to this level, and we may expect this bullish candle to be closing as a weak candle, and our entry point also is good according to my analysis. So let's see. So So this trading view is a very good platform. You can just go to google.com and you can create an account, and you can um, have an overlook, in-depth overlook of the complete stock exchanges, not only forex but other Indian markets as well. So you can do the practice as well in here by, if you have any strategy, and you can do paper trading as well. And also you have a replay options. For example, if you have any strategy you wanted to follow, so you can just click a replay, and you can click here and you can just play. It's just like, watching a movie like this. So you will get an idea I mean the how the market is reacting, and you will learn about the price action. Okay, and so yes, we got a winning here, winning trade, which is for $4. So this is how you can trade on regular basis. So we get many indications. I just showed you a simple example, but the accuracy is 70%, which I said to you. Not 100%, but it is a 70%. It means out of 10 trades which you are initiating in a day, so you at least get a 7 winning trades, which is pretty good. Not a bad idea according to me. So I will show you another trade if I get any opportunity here. So yes, here there is an MACD crossing, and we should wait until the candle is completed, and the market is also in a uptrend, and the next level is here, and the price is oversold position, and this level is not a strong level, because you can see from this level the buyers are very strong, because you can see how it has a rally almost 500 pips, like, for example, from it has from 800 to almost 100 pips. And so I think that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed my video. So if you anyone wanted to learn this price action and these strategies, so please feel free to contact me on this YouTube comments. Thank you.